Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nina for today's videos, guys. I am the nanny for today's, guys, for Lona, because her nanny went today off and I am the one who's nanny today, and she bring me to walk somewhere. This is her daily life. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Ning hapkar. Nakatingin tuloy yung mga tao. Sasakyan. Don't go there. Wherever she wants to go, I should follow her, guys. We're going far, Lona. Do you know the way where you want to go? Do you know the place, Lona? You don't know the place in Bahrain, okay? See, now you're having itchy because you walk. Yala, let's go. I have to give you bath because you're allergic of dust. See? Look at this, guys. Kailangan kung saan ang gusto niya sinusunod. Go, girl. Where we want to go, girl? Where we will go, girl? Have car, girl. This girl not even scared to walk in the road. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hoy. What are you doing? Now you don't want to walk, you're tired. Let's go home, baby. Let's go home. Let's go home, Luna. Let's go home. Ayan, umikot na naman kami, guys. She don't know what to do. Kapag kami naligaw nito, bahala na. Early in the morning, she like to walk, guys. Even hot, she like to walk. He's peeing. Let's go home, baby. Let's go home. Don't walk in the sun because you're having itchy. You have allergy, Nining. We will go home na. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.